Hey there, Shooby Doodlers. How are you doing? Well, I haven't posted on here for a while, and I know some of you have been wondering where I am, where I've been, and so I thought I'd better do a little update for you. I had a little accident about 12 weeks ago. I had a delivery of gravel, which I was using to build a patio outside my studio, and it came on a pallet, and I was shoveling the gravel out into my wheelbarrow, and my foot caught underneath the pallet, and I went bang down, bang onto my chest. And I know it sounds very dramatic, but I really thought my time was up. And so I'm sort of very grateful to be still here, really. And in that weird sort of moment as my life flashed in front of me, I honestly had the thought, no, there's so much more that I want to do. So luckily I'm still here, but I'm chastened, and I'm just being a little more careful. And I did absolutely nothing for pretty much a month, really, and just pottering about and just getting myself back together again. Now that I'm feeling so much better, I realise quite how shaken up I was, and I could hardly put two words together on a video, so I didn't bother trying. Nikki, who is one of my sort of biggest fans and ardent patron, pointed out to me that I had been doing rather a lot up until then. And when she sort of wrote down a list of all the stuff I've been doing, I thought, yeah, that is quite a lot. And it made me think perhaps I do too much. And so I need to kind of really think about what I'm going to do. It was a very strange kind of thing that I felt like I was waking up out of something, like Rumpelstiltskin waking up from a 100-year dream. And I was sort of waking up out of this COVID dream, and COVID had just kind of taken over all our lives. And I know we're not going to be back to normal, but I want to get back to some kind of normality myself, and not be thinking about, sort of that sort of COVID audience out there anymore, because in a way we've sort of moved on now, and I think we all want to try and get back to normal, and that's what I want to do. Just before COVID hit, I'd actually sort of drawn up a plan of what I was going to do, and that involved Draw Stuff Real Easy, my other channel. And if you've not seen that channel, I'll put a little link up here and you can go and see, and subscribe, do please. Draw Stuff Real Easy kind of does what I originally set out to do, is just to show you how to draw stuff real easy. And I've got two books, which you'll find you can get the downloads down below. Join me on Patreon, you can get them for free. My plan before COVID was to start sort of building up the drawing books and building up Draw Stuff Real Easy. And because I wasn't really sure what on earth to do with this channel, because I've sort of been this way and that way and tried all sorts of things, and I've kind of, in a way, sort of said everything I want to say, and I can't feel that I've got anything fresh to say at the moment. That might change. So the past few weeks I've been working hard on Draw Stuff Real Easy and drawstuffrealeasy.com, which I'm sort of getting sort of all set up too. And I now have a 10-year plan. And my plan is to try and sort of create 2 drawing books a year, and at least 2 drawing videos a week on Draw Stuff Real Easy, and to kind of build up the Draw Stuff Real Easy brand over the next 10 years or something, and see what happens. I hope that all sorts of other things will come from that, but what I need to do is to stop flitting about from one idea to another and just focus. And I think that's a piece of advice that is good for all creative types too. I really don't know what to do with this channel in the meantime. I know I've done lots of watercolour kind of things before, but I think something's happened. I don't know if I've if I have had a bang on the head or not, but I kind of don't feel different, but I feel differently about things, and so I haven't really sort of wanted to pick up my paintbrush, whereas before my accident I was raring to go, and I just bought new brushes and paints and all sorts of things, and they're just sitting there unused at the moment. And in fact, I'm doing quite a lot of sort of digital drawing at the moment, well, digital colouring anyway. So I thought maybe I'll use this channel just to sit here and talk to the camera about my thoughts about drawing and stuff like that as I have them, and if I feel I have things to say. But I kind of feel more like I have things to do rather than to say at the moment. But maybe that will change. So if you've got ideas and things you would like me to do, do put them in the comments box below, and I will consider them. But don't necessarily say I'm going to do them because I'm working really quite hard on Draw Stuff Real Easy. I think that's about all. And if you've got other questions and things like that, put them in the comments box, and I'll answer them next time. Maybe you've got something really interesting to ask that will fire my imagination. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel in case I do some more videos. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.